Assalamualaikum, hope that you all are well. In this video we are going to learn how to perform hotspot analysis in QGIS. This is also known as heatmap analysis or kernel density estimation or KDE. Let's start the video. First of all, I have to extract my study area map. How can you extract your study area? I uploaded a tutorial on this previously in my YouTube channel. You may watch this and please subscribe my YouTube channel. After extraction, now it's time to upload my coordinates containing file. For that I will go to layer, then add layer, and finally add the elemented text layer. Now I have to choose the file. The file must have to be in comma delimited format, otherwise it will not work for kernel density estimation. After selecting the file, click on add and to plot the coordinates. You see that some coordinates are outside of my study area, so I have to clip the layer. For that I will go to vector, then geoprocessing tool, then clip fixed input and overlay layer, and finally click on run. Here coordinates inside my study area only exist and outside coordinates are removed. Now it's time to perform hotspot analysis. For that I have to go to processing, then toolbox, a layer come to the right side of screen. In search bar type KDE. You will find heatmap. Click on it. See that the radius are in degree format, which will not work here. I have to change it into meter. For that the CRS type has to be changed. To change CRS format, go to layer, export, save feature as, named the file as your wish, and finally in CRS choose pseudo marketer. You can remove the unnecessary layer now. To analyze hotspot, go to processing again, then toolbox, and finally click on heatmap. You see that radius changed into meter. It will make the radius, I will make the radius 500 meter and the pixel 10. You can set as your necessity. Then click on run. Kernel density estimation done, but it is in black and white. To change the color, go to properties, select render type, single band pseudo color, color map, select spectral, and the mode equal interval. Finally click on apply. Now you will find a colorful heatmap where density increased from red to blue. Red means density low and blue means density very high, maximum, and red means minimum. You see there's a red spot in the map and blue spot also. You can also measure the value. For that select identify feature tool, click on your area of interest. In the right side of you will find the value. Where density high, value will be high, and where density low, value will be low. In this way you can analyze hotspot very easily. Hope that you understand very well. If you want to get more video like this, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any question, please ask in the comment box. Thank you for watching.